Hello, today we are going to present our project, which is the development of food wrapping paper made from pineapple leaf fiber, mixed with essential oil to repel Oriental food fly. Next, let's start with introduction.
At present, agriculturists are often facing problems with pests, especially Oriental fruit flies. Oriental fruit flies are the main factor that cause damage to agricultural crops. It spoils the crop and has a short harvest. The price of the crop is lower and the quality is low. Agriculture also has a way to prevent Oriental fruit fly by wrapping food. The material that agriculture often use to wrap their food are newsprint or plastic. Using plastic wrap for food, advantage: Oriental fruit fly cannot penetrate agricultural crops, and plastic is waterproof. Disadvantage: plastic is difficult to decompose. It has a short-term use. If it is a plastic that can be used for a long time, it will be expensive. Using paper wrap for food, advantage: paper can prevent droplets or spores of various pathogens. Oriental fruit fly cannot penetrate agricultural crops. Paper is easier to decompose than plastic. Disadvantage: paper tears easily and it is not durable. Therefore, the author developed the food wrapping paper by using the fiber from pineapple leaf, because pineapple leaf have a long fiber and can be used to produce paper as well. Oriental and citronella have the effect of repelling Oriental fruit flies.
In addition, the author chose to use essential oils from orange peels and citronella to develop paper made from pineapple leaf fibers to repel Oriental fruit flies. For the objective to test the paper quality and effectiveness of paper made from pineapple leaf fibers mixed with essential oils or orange peels and citronella to repel Oriental fruit flies. Experiments and techniques of essential oils, the paper making process test procedures. Extractions of essential oils. First, prepare 940 grams of orange peels and cut them into small pieces. Second, put the orange in heating meter and fill the water to 1,200 milliliters. Third, install the heating meter and turn it on. Wait to blow it for 30 minutes. Fourth, the essential oils will slowly flow down with the water. After that, the water and essential oils were separated using the suction tube. 6. Bring the essential oils that have been stored in the reagent bottle. Finally, repeat by changing to citronella.
Next, pineapple leaf fiber. The first step are prepare 2 kilograms of pineapple leaves and cut them into small pieces. Wash pineapple leaf with clean water. Put pineapple leaves in a container of boiling. Add water to cover them and bring them to a boil with sodium hydroxide. Boil them for a full hour. After that, wash pineapple leaves thoroughly and rub them to leave only the fiber. Bring the fiber to spin in a blender by adding water. Rinse the fiber with clean water again and then mold into lump. Spread fiber in a sieve by spreading it in water. Let it to dry for 3 hours and then put it in the sun to dry. Finally, remove the paper from the sieve and process it into food wrapper.
Test procedure. The first test was to compare the quality of paper made from pineapple leaf fibers with newsprint measured by paper thickness and the weight support of a plastic seal lump when 2 papers were wet. The second test was to test the effectiveness of essential oils repelling Oriental fruit fly. We saw and discussed from the result of the first test. The quality of paper made from pineapple leaf fibers and newsprint. It turned out that soaking the paper made from pineapple leaf fibers and newsprint in water for 5 to 10 seconds. Paper made from pineapple leaf fiber absorbs water. It's easier to tear and it has less weight support than newsprint when 2 papers were wet. When compared the thickness of the paper made from pineapple leaf fibers and newsprint, it was found that the paper made from pineapple leaf fibers was thicker than newsprint, 0.2 to 0.25 mm.
From the results of the second test, the effectiveness of essential oils in repelling Oriental fruit flies, orange peels and citronella essential oils were both effective in repelling Oriental fruit flies. 15 Oriental fruit flies were experimented and observed that helpers and respond to orange peels and citronella essential oils. It was found that after the Oriental fruit fly smelled essential oil for 5 minutes, the Oriental fruit fly has a negative reaction 93% when they smell orange peels essential oils and 80% when they smell citronella essential oils of Oriental fruit flies. In conclusion, 1. The paper made from pineapple leaf fiber is thicker than newsprint. But when the paper made from pineapple leaf fiber is wet, it will tear easier than newsprint. 2. Orange peels and citronella essential oils are both effective in repelling Oriental fruit flies, but Oriental fruit fly has more reaction to orange peels essential oils than citronella essential oils.
Thank you for viewing this presentation.